was filming it.
Zero.
Found a timer, huh? Couldn't help but record it. Did you push the button? Jackson.
I was pressing. I was turning it off.
It's got to stay on keep warm. That's why we're going to keep warm. 'Cause we gotta...
Sorry, Daddy.